Okay, so what's happening is when I'm accelerating, there's this noise, as you can hear. Not exactly sure what it is. I'm trying to figure out if it's a wheel bearing, because the videos I've heard, it sounds like it's a wheel bearing. But yeah, you can hear it right now. Just I take my foot off the pedal, it's still going. When I'm idling, it's still going. If you hear when I brake, you hear it completely stop, but you can hear it the whole way until I'm stopped. Here right now. So I don't know exactly what this is, but let me see. Oh. Okay. Can't hear it as much when I go right. That's why I'm trying to figure out if this is a wheel bearing or what exactly it is. It sounds exactly like that. That's what it would be. But yeah, so I mean, if any of you guys have an idea, if you could put some comments and just let me know, because I'm trying to figure it out. It's been like this for a while, and it's frustrating, not knowing what's wrong with your car. So anyways, if you can drop some comments and let me know, just let me figure this stuff out. I'm gonna see if I could fix it myself or something,